Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, you get 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, there's tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features 3D navigation, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity, and some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done less than 7,000 miles, and if you think it's of interest to you, please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.